To quote Ron Burgundy, that escalated quickly. Yeah, this really escalates. Maybe not exactly quickly, but it goes from 0 to 1 million like that. I don't need to talk a whole lot here. There's a little bit of kind of chat over and back at the start, but you'll see this guy has a complete meth down. Now, because of the content, there's a good chance that this video is going to be demonetized, but that's okay by me because this is actually quite something. So to support the channel, make sure and hit that like button, comment down below, consider leaving a super thanks or dropping us a tip in the PayPal tip jar down below. Would really appreciate it. Enjoy the video.
And here, these are the following here for complaint U 617-55221, Wednesday, July 28, 2021. Loitering in a place after or park after sunset after closing hours near Grand Circus Park, Woodward and Adams. Personal bond, no dollar amount. Complaint U 448-11818, Tuesday, June 19, 2018. Trespassing at or near 300 Renaissance. Personal bond, no dollar amount. And complaint U 509-88119, Friday, February 22nd, 2019, disorderly persons near Woodward and Martin Luther King. Personal bond, no dollar amount. These are misdemeanor allegations carrying up to a $500 fine and or 93 days in jail is a maximum fine and penalty. Court recall warrant set aside KPS under plea of not guilty on each open matter. As a reminder, Mr. Child's personal bond, no dollar amount. Retrial date scheduled via Zoom May the 3rd. In front of Judge Jones at the 36th District Court. You have additional felony allegations, sir. State your full name again.
Javante Jerome Charles.
Thank you. And this is in regards to case 2305638, People State of Michigan versus Javante Jerome Childs, also known as Javante Jerome Childs. Appearance. Or waive formal reading under plea of not guilty on these allegations, Mr. Childs. The court's scheduling 2 court dates. You must attend both of them. You have a probable cause conference via Zoom on April the 20th, Thursday, 8:30 a.m., 36th District Court, Judge Giles. You have a right to a preliminary examination April 26th, the following Wednesday. That will be in person at 8:30 a.m., 36th District Court, Judge Giles. April the 20th and April 26th at 8:30, 36th District Court. Understood, Mr. Childs?
Yes.
Thank you. Not guilty plea is entered. Anything as to bond from the people?
Respectfully asking the court to consider
What status?
He's not put specified he doesn't have any money in the fact that there was no weapons used or recovered. I'm respectfully asking the court to consider at least 100%. We would normally ask always for personal bond. I was not going to get that part of the transfer, but I actually asked.
Thank you.
Website indicates that he had multiple aliases. Only Javante Rothschild, only Jayante, also only Laura.
Thank you. This is a very serious allegation where the court has taken into consideration a number of things, Mr. Childs. You have a lengthy prior felony criminal history. Very concerning that you're on probation as indicated by APA Douglas while you picked up these extremely serious allegations. There is a likelihood of conviction. The court considers after review of the information alleged in the investigator's report, your employment status presented by counsel as it relates to ability to post bonds taken into consideration, as well as the lack of KPS history. And the court does, as stated, find a likelihood of conviction. And after arguments from both parties and review of the nature of these very serious charges, specifically counts 1, which is a possibility of life offense, and frankly, the court has concerns regarding all of the counts. The court, after review of the investigator's report, is setting an intentional unaffordable cash bond, finding you, sir, to be a danger to the public. Being out on probation for a felony conviction, a conviction for the offense of assaulting, resisting a police officer, and you have another one of those allegations before the court this afternoon. For those reasons, the court said,
listen, I can't live my life by myself peacefully. Hang on, Mr. Charles. I can't live my life peacefully. I can't live my life peacefully. I'm 27 years old.
Wait. Back up the truck here. 27 years old. You are 4 years younger than I am, and your hairline starts almost at the back of your neck. Life has not been good to you, sir.
21 years old, never had a felony. And now,
That's not true.
now you're using a system against you. Do what you gotta do. I'm gonna eat good every day in prison for the rest of my life. I'm gonna always have water. I don't need to be free. Or if you're gonna let me free, let me free. You can have the world. I'll take the prison.
Okay. All right. So, Mr. Childs, during this bond, which is going to be unaffordable,
I can't
You'll have
live
an
my life
unaffordable.
free. What you saying is I can't live my life free.
Mr. Childs, listen please to the court. You have an unaffordable bond redetermination hearing. Court's muting him. Unaffordable bond redetermination hearing on April the 14th. That is this Friday at 8:30 or 9 o'clock a.m. in front of Chief Judge McConaughey. If you're able to post bond, you do not need to attend that court date, but regardless, you'll always have to attend the April 20th and the April 26th date. April 14th is a bond redetermination if you're still incarcerated. The court, after taking into consideration, is ordering the following conditions during this bond. There's no use of any alcohol, no illegal controlled substance. You are not to purchase or possess a firearm or any dangerous weapon. If you're able to make bond, you will be fit with a GPS tether, and that will be under house arrest. You will not go to your home, remain in your home, and do not go anywhere. If immediately upon release or when able to do so, you must tell your probation officer of these allegations immediately. During this bond, there to be no contact with Kim Tillman, no contact of any kind, orally in writing through a third person at their place of residency, employment, or through any forms of social media. No contact with Kim Tillman, and do not go to the area or premises of any Citizens Bank, specifically 7401 Woodward Avenue in Detroit, Michigan. Bond for those reasons is set at $100,000 cash, no surety. You can unmute the device, and if Mr. Childs has any questions on the court date or bond conditions, the court will entertain. And is there anything from the people?
I don't care about money.
Mr. Counsel?
I don't have money. I don't listen. I graduated from
I
high
heard
school.
you, Mr. Childs.
I didn't have a felony until I was 21 years old. The system can get out of my face with all of this shit because it's worthless.
Mr. Childs, watch your language. Unless you have any questions, we're concluded here for the arraignment. Good luck, Mr. Childs. I hope you get everything you needed.
I don't need no good luck. This is my life. It's not you. Keep your life and don't worry about my life.
Come on, man.
Let me worry about my life. Let me worry about my life. I'm going to step foot out in this world after I get in the prison system before my time is up. I guarantee it.
So what this genius is trying to say here is that he's going to escape custody. Somehow I doubt that. Now, obviously, this man has some serious mental health issues. That goes without saying. And I guess it raises the interesting question about him being out in the community versus him being in custody. Is it better that he's in custody because he can get some help for those mental health issues? Or is it cruel? I'd love to know what you think. For me, I would say that I wish there was more things available to help people like that on the outside. But unfortunately, it just doesn't seem to be the way it is.
I guarantee that shit.
You got it, man?
Going well?
Yeah. Can you walk a little bit? Can you stand up? Don't swing. You want to go to camera down.
Hey, take your time, BBC. We're going to handle in-house one. Oh, no, we'll take care of this matter. Thank you. I thought you were maybe dealing with somebody. Good afternoon, sir. State your name, please.
Get away.
Let me guess, this lad is 29. Anyway, folks, that was a pretty stark one. Again, it does raise a lot of interesting issues, and I'd love to hear what you have to say about it down below. Anyway, folks, I'll leave it there for now. We'll catch you in the next one. Sláinte.